begin with the International Relations 2023 questions, and here we would talk about some of the important questions which pertain to international relations. Now, this question is really interesting. India has adopted the policy of polycentricism, and that is due to the changing balance of powers at the systematic level. Unipolarity came into existence post the Cold War system, and then it started to dilute towards the end of the 20th century, post which there was a concept which evolved and which was polycentricism. That is, there is not one center of power but there are multiple centers of power, and this is due to changing of balance of power at the systematic level. So one systemic level, so that is the correct answer. The next is, India is demanding the restructuring of international organizations for which purpose? So for democratic world order in which interest of global south should be clearly represented, and this has been taken into account with international organizations like World Bank, UN, IMF, and there has been always a big debate between the rich and the poor, the global north and the global south, and to restructure that, to have a democratic representation, India has been providing a major role. So one is the correct answer here. The next is, in globalizing world, the scope of discipline of international relations is moreover expanding, because we are saying globalizing. So it's a very basic general question, we could say. So here what the idea is, it is globalizing is the whole world becoming a village. That means the ideas and the scopes are coming in to a common bucket, and therefore the mutual relations between the countries need to be strengthened. One good idea is the recent effort of India Singapore uniting through the UPI. Similarly, provisions for uniting India and Saudi Arabia through the UPI mechanism. Now this would strengthen the financial ties, and ultimately it would again expand the horizons for international relations between the nations. So this is just one example to cite here. The next is, which of the following is not considered a part of Central Asia? So Iran is not considered as part of Central Asia. Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan are all part of Central Asia. So this map represents the countries which are part of Kazakhstan. Now most of the regions in the Amur Darya, Sir Darya region are the rivers which flow through the regions of Central Asia. A very interesting question, double landlocked country. The correct answer here is Uzbekistan. Why? It is lying between Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan, which do connect to the Caspian Sea, but they don't have an outlet to, this Caspian Sea does not have an outlet to any of the ocean bodies. So Kazakhstan and Turkmenistan are considered as landlocked. A country between the two landlocked countries is called as a double landlocked country, and this is Uzbekistan. Only two such countries exist worldwide. One is Uzbekistan, the other is Liechtenstein, and Liechtenstein is actually a country which lies between two other landlocked countries, which is Switzerland and Austria. Correct? So you have here Uzbekistan as a correct answer. Very interesting and an important concept. India is not a member of APEC. Rest all, India has been a member for SAARC, Quad, and even the Shanghai Corporation. In the Shanghai Corporation, this started in 2001. India became a part and parcel along with Pakistan in 2017 of late. But in the Asia Pacific Economic Corridor, it is the 21 countries which lie on the Pacific Rim, and therefore India is not part of this international organization. So various international organizations, which nations are part of it, any country which has recently joined it, any country which has recently exited it becomes really important. So contemporary developments in international relations is again a very important theme that you must take into account. So this was for today. The complete solutions for the paper are available at the link below. If you have any questions or queries, you can connect back to our helpline number which is available again here. Wish you very good luck. Thanks for joining in.